Hello, Anvi. Good evening. How are you? Here is raining. Oh.
Oh, here it's not raining. In Singapore, it's not raining, babies. Oh.
Okay, so let's start the class. Anvi is here. So I'll wait for 1 more minute. So let's see. Anvi, holidays finish? Hello, Jashwin. Good evening. No, ma'am, they hasn't yet started. They haven't yet started. Okay, so let's start our class. Tummy is full.
Yes, finished.
Okay, so let's start the class. So let's start our Abacus journey again from the beginning. Hello, beta, Jivitesh. Hello, good evening. So you all know, right? So Abacus, we are learning Soraban 1 Japanese tool. Okay, so we have different kinds of tools. No, it's not Rahul. Okay, so we are using Japanese one, so which is easy compared to other one, and which is easy to start your mental maths immediately. Okay, so that's why we are using Japanese one. So these are the 2 fingers that we are going to use throughout our journey. Okay, so thumb and index finger. So with the help of thumb finger, so we will bring it up our lower beats. Okay, so here I have written that one. So to bring it up our lower beats, we are using our thumb finger, and index finger is used for the 3 operations. 2 operations on upper beat, so that is to bring it up and down, and 1 operations on lower beat to bring it down. Okay, so these are the operations that we are going to use with the help of our 2 fingers. Okay, that's the main important thing. So try to use the operations as it is. Try your best. For the beginner, it would be quite challenging one, this task, but when you keep on practicing, you can do it very easily. And next we have methods. So whether you're doing addition or subtraction, so you have these 4 methods. If you know these 4 methods, so you can do any question in addition and as well as in subtraction. Hello, Sami. Okay, you go do your work.
Do my work.
Finish your exam. Direct method. So direct method is nothing but whatever the beats you are looking for, all the beats are available. You just need to make use of those beats. Yeah. So I'm starting from the beginning. Okay, I'm not continuing the last batch classes. Last batch classes, I'm not continuing with the last class batches because nobody is coming. so then there is no point of continuing the classes, so I started new batch. So those who are looking for the new one, so you can continue and shift it to 6. Yeah, so direct method, and then we have small friend method. So in small friend method we will take the help of y to get our required number of beats, and in big friend method we will take the help of number 10 to get our required number of beats. And next we have combination method. So every time when one method is failing, so we will go to the next method. Okay, so if direct method is we couldn't able to do it with the direct method, then we will go for the small friend method. If you couldn't able to do with the small friend method, then we will go for the big friend method. If you couldn't able to do with the big friend method, then only we will go for the combination method. Okay, so these are the 4 methods. Next, let's see what's there in the next worksheet. So we have formulas. I told you, right, in small friend method we will take the help of y. So we have all the formulas here, so please note it down, all these formulas. So you can get all these formulas on my community tab. You can go there and note it down, or else you can take some photo or screenshot. Okay, so read these formulas twice a day. So they all like well structured formulas. These are all not random formulas, so it's very easy to remember. But the only thing, you need little bit practice. So do read or write at least 2 times a day. Okay, so if you are very good with these formulas, then you can do abacus questions very easily. So actually you can enjoy this process. Okay, so small friend method, big friend method, and combination method. Okay, so let's do it, and we will see how we can represent the number on tool. Okay, so let's see the tool. I want to describe the tool also. Okay, hold on. Okay, so you have one tool which is no abacus app. So try to download that app. So if you download that app, it look like something like this. Okay, so go on your Play Store and just type it no abacus. Okay, and download it. So this app is available on both the devices, so that is Android and iOS. Okay, so just download it and then you tap it. Okay, so then when you open that app, it looks something like this. Okay, so just tap on your left corner. Okay, then you can see the rods. Okay, so then you can see the rods. Now I'll try to explain the beads. Okay, and what are the vocabulary here we can see on this. Okay, so we have upper beads and lower beads. So these all the beads are called upper beads, and these are all the beads called lower beads. Okay, and this, the gray color one, is called answering bar. Okay, so why means from this, whatever the beads are touching your answering bar, we will read only those beads. Okay, so if the beads are away from your answering bar, we won't read it. Okay, so if they are touching our answering bar, then only we will read that bead. Okay, so that's why it's called answering bar. And here the dots you have, that is called void point. Okay, okay, so void point, this is called void point, and whatever you have your first void point is called like base point, home point, or home point. So from this only we will start our journey. Okay, so wherever you have first point, so that is called ones place or unit place. So the representation for this rod is units place. All the values here, whatever you're keeping, they are multiples of ones. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the values are multiples of 1. And similarly, if you go to this rod, this is tens place rod. Okay, so here for each bead we have value. Okay, so these are all multiples of tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so on. These are all multiples of tens. Okay, and these are all multiples of hundreds. Okay, this is hundreds place value. Okay, and all the above rods are multiples of pi. So this is pi multiple in units place. This is pi multiple in tens place. This is hundreds multiples of pi. Okay, so 100 times pi. Out, go outside. So that's all about vocabulary, and these all the upper beats, we can also call it as an upper beats or heaven beats. These lower beats we can call it as lower beats or earth beats. Okay, so if you know only one name, it's more than enough. So upper beats or lower beats. Okay, so and now let's see how you can keep the values on tool. Okay, so first we will know how to keep the values, then we will see how we can do the operations in the further classes. Okay, so let's learn how to set the values on Abacus. So let's learn from 0 to 9 first. So if all the beads are away from your answering bar, if the beads are away from your answering bar, that's called 0 position. So here you can see on the tool the representation for this pattern. Okay, so this is 0 position. Okay, and next 1, how to set 1? So use your thumb finger. I already told in the first worksheet, so you need to use the thumb finger for the lower beads. Okay, so use your thumb finger and try to set 1 on Abacus. So how to set 1 on Abacus? So use your thumb finger and keep it up. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, so that's how you can keep these values. 1 second, hold on. Zobi, who is that, beta? Okay. So that's how you can keep these values. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and next, how to set 5? So to set 5, we don't have here 5 beats, so we can't take the help of our lower beats. We need to take the help of upper beat, because upper beat is the multiples of 5. Okay, so and you need to use your index finger to set your 5. So bring it down. 5. Okay, so next 6. How to set 6? Now we don't have any more beats. We used lower beats for the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then upper beat for the 5. So then how to set 6? To set 6, we need to take the help of both the beats. Okay, so either you can use both the beats parallelly, or you can use one by one. Okay, set 5 first and then one beat from your lower side. It makes 6. 5 plus 1, how much? 6, right? So what we are doing, we are taking the help of both the beats. We are taking the help of both the bits. So this is 6. And then 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. So we are done with the 0 to 9. So this is here, you can see one button which is in black color. So if you press that one, it will reset all your values. Okay, so once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's how you can keep your values. Okay, so I'll try to ask randomly 3 questions. Try to set it. Okay, so can you set 4, 4, 4? So always try to use your finger movements properly. For the beginner, you need to only concentrate on finger movements. So how you can do that one? So try to do it very slowly. Take your time and follow. If you couldn't able to do it, look at on the screen how I am doing, so follow it. So that's how you can keep 4. And then one more question. I said 3 questions, so 1 done. Second question, how to set 7. 7. 5 plus 2, 7, right? So set 5 first and then 2 beats. 5 plus 2, 7. Next, reset. And the last question, how to set 9. 9. How to set 9? 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. Good job. So we are done. How to set values from 0 to 9. Now let's proceed to the next values. 10. 10. How to set 10? So reset everything. Okay, so 10. How to write 10? 1 0, right? So we have 2 place values in number 10. Okay, one is tens place and one is ones place. One is tens place and one is ones place. So here also on tool you need to use 2 rods. Okay, so this is tens place and ones place. How to write 10? In tens place you will have 1, in ones place you will have 0, right? So keep the same thing here. In tens place 1, in ones place it is 0. In tens place it is 1 and in ones place it is 0. That's how you can keep 10. Okay, reset one more time. So use your thumb finger, because I am using thumb finger because it's a lower beat. Okay, means we need to use just lower beat. And I already told these all the values are multiples of 10. So now it is 10. 11, 1 1 11, and then 12, 1 2 12, then 1 3 13. So from 10 onwards you need to change only ones place. So tens place value will be same 1, but only you need to change the ones place value. So you already know how to do 0 to 9 on ones place. Okay, so do it. So 1 3 13, 1 4 14, then 15. So how to set 15? So remove 4, then keep 5 here. 1 5 15. So 1 6 16. Then 1 7 17. 1 8 18. 1 9 19. 2 0 20. Now how to set 20? So 2 0 20. In tens place you will have 2 beats. In ones place you will have 0. So we shouldn't do anything in the ones place, but whereas in tens place we should keep 2 beats up. Okay, so 2 0 20. 2 0 20. And next you have 21, 22. So 2 2 22. 2 3 23. 2 4 24. Then 2 5 25. So remove everything here and then set 5 here. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30. How to set 30? 3 0 30. Okay, means in tens place you need to set 3, and then in ones place it is 0. Okay, so reset everything. 3 0. Oh, sorry. Okay, so now it's showing 3 0 30, right? Okay, so 3 0 30, and then 31, 32, 33, 34, and then 35. So how to set 35? So you need to remove everything using your upper bead. Using your index finger and set 5 here, 35. Then 36, 37, 38, 39, finish.
No, I'm just looking.
And then 40. So how to set 40? 40, 40. 4 in tens place, 0 in ones place. Then 41, 42, 43, 44, then 45. How to set 45? So remove everything from here and set 5. 46, 47, 48, 49, and then 50. So how to set 50? 5, 0, 50. 5 in tens place, 0 in ones place. So 0 means you need to remove all the bits away from the answering bar. Okay. Then here must be 5, not 4. So remove all the lower bits and keep your upper bit. 5, 0, 50. Alright. 51, 52, 53, 54, then 55. How to set 55? Remove this one and add this one. So observe how I am doing with the fingers. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and then 60. 60, 60. So remove everything here and set 6. We have only 5. So how to get the 6? 5 plus 1, 6. So he is not used to. 60, 60, 61, 62, 63, and then 64, and then 65. How to set 65? So remove all the lower bits and set 5. 66, 67, 68, 69, and then 70. How to set 70? So remove everything here, set 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, then 75. So remove everything from here, set 75. 76, 77, 78, 79. Then how to set 80? So reset everything and set 8 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Sorry, 80, remove everything. 86, right? 5 plus 1, 6. 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So everything reset, then add 9, 0, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, and then 95. So remove everything here and then add your upper beat using your index finger. 96, 97, 98, 99. Then how to set 100? So to set 100, now you need to use how many rods? 3 rods. Okay. So that is you need to take the help of your hundreds place also. Hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. Because 100 is a 3-digit number, right? So reset everything. How you will write down 100? 1, 0, 0. Means here you need to set 1 and here it is 0 and here it is 0. So if you move away your beat from your answering bar, then it is 0 itself. Okay, 0, 0. I didn't do anything on these rods and I set 1 here. So now it's 100. Is it clear? So now we learned all the numbers, how we need to set 0 to 100. Okay, so now I will ask randomly 5 numbers you need to set. Okay, so let's see how to set 35. So if you couldn't able to understand any point or anything, just type in the chat box whatever the doubts you have, that also you can type in the chat box. I'm watching your chat box. Okay, so I'll try to rectify all your doubts. Okay, so come on, let's do it. Try to set 98. So 98, how to set 98? So always you need to start from the highest place value. Okay, suppose if it is a 2-digit number, you need to start from 10th place value. If it is a 3-digit number, you need to start from the 100th place value. Okay, so 98, 9 in the 10th place, 8 in the 1st place. 98, 98. Okay, so that's how you can set 98. So if you know how to get the 6, 7, 8, you can represent any value. Okay, so anywhere 0 to 4 very easy, just you need to use take the help of only lower beats. Okay, so for 5 only we need to take the help of upper beats, and for 6, 7, 8, 9 we need to use the both beats. Okay, 6 means 5 plus 1, 7 means 5 plus 2, and 8 is 5 plus 3, and 9 is 5 plus 4. Okay, yeah. So now can you set 75, 75, 75? Okay, so let me show you here 75. So I told you what, you need to keep always your beats on the highest rod. So the highest rod is 10th place. In 2-digit number, highest rod is 10th place. So 70, not 80, 70. Okay, 5 plus 2, 70, and then 5, 75. Okay, so just reset. And then 83, 83. So 5 in 1's place you can keep directly, right? 75. Next number is 83. So 18, you need to keep 8 on 10th place and 3 on 1's place. So 83. 83. So done. Next question. 12. 12. So reset everything. So 12. How to set 12? 1, 2. 10th place 1 and 1's place 2. 12. Yes. Next question. 65. 65. So 6 on 10th place, 5 on 1's place. 65. So how to get 6? 5 plus 1, right? 65. And next question. 48. 48. 4, 8. 48. Okay. Done. Next question. 72. 70. So use correct fingers. Okay. 70 and then 2. 72. Okay. So hello, good evening, Mamata. I'm not sure what's your name, but I'm calling out your ID. Good evening, beta. Good evening, all of you. So that's it for today's class, beta. So we'll try to take tomorrow's class on same time. So those who want to continue, so please you can join the classes on same time. Okay, so let's see the tomorrow's class. So if you have any doubts, do let me know. So do try to practice like everyday basis. So no need to spend a lot of time. So just take 5 to 10 minutes whatever we discussed in the class. So try to revise it and do practice on that. Okay, so just 5 minutes more than enough. And if you're consistent, definitely you can learn your abacus very easily. So we'll see you in the tomorrow session on same time. So bye bye. Good night. Good night, Sami and Mamata. Good night. Bye bye. Bye, Jashwin. You're there, Jashwin. Bye. Bye, Jashwin. Good night.